Prompt engineering is about the words you send. Context engineering is about what is in the window at all. And for agents, it is the more important skill. Here is why it matters. A long-running agent accumulates messages, tool results, and observations every single turn. Left unmanaged, that pile fills the context window, quality rots, cost climbs, and eventually the whole run just breaks. Curating that window is what separates a demo agent from one that survives 100 turns. Let me name the problem precisely because two different things go wrong as the window grows. The first is context rot. Even well below the limit, models use a big, crowded context worse than a focused one. Important facts get lost in the middle and accuracy quietly degrades. A bigger window does not save you here. The second is overflow. Eventually you hit the hard limit and the run errors out or silently drops history. So the mental shift is this. Treat the context window as expensive, scarce real estate, a budget you actively manage. Context engineering is mostly three moves. The first is compaction. You summarize old turns into a compact note and drop the raw history. The agent keeps the gist of what happened without carrying every token. Anthropic reports compaction, cutting token use by roughly 84% over a 100-turn run, while keeping the thread coherent. The second is isolation. You give a subtask its own context window. A supervisor spins up a worker that does the heavy, noisy work in isolation and returns only a short summary, so the main agent's window never sees the mess. And that, honestly, is the real justification for going multi-agent in the first place. Not cleverness, but keeping each window clean. The third is just-in-time retrieval. Do not preload everything just in case. Keep the window lean and retrieve the specific document, memory or tool result only at the moment it is needed. It is RAG applied to the agent's own working memory. There is a powerful fourth pattern worth knowing. Code execution. Instead of loading every tool definition and every intermediate result into context, let the agent write code that calls tools and processes results out of context, returning only the final answer. That approach has cut token use by up to 98% on tool-heavy tasks. The theme is identical. Keep the window small, do the bulk work elsewhere. So here is the working rule. Into the window belongs the current goal, the few facts needed now, and a compact summary of what has happened. Out of it belongs raw tool dumps, full documents, finished subtask transcripts, and anything you can retrieve on demand. Most agent reliability and cost problems trace straight back to a bloated window, not to a poorly worded prompt. Stop reaching only for better wording. Manage the budget and a long-running agent stays lean, coherent, and affordable.